Hi, hello, welcome to NEET classes with Vidya. So today I'm just giving you an example for this lotus. We'll take this lotus flower and try to understand its floral formula. Okay, so let's start from the pedicel. The stem which is attached to the flower is called as pedicel. Okay, this one. This is the flower, right? So this is pedicel, right? And in the next there are four whorls, basically four whorls. First one, second, third and fourth. We'll start from the outer one. This will be first, which will be calyx. So can you see calyx here? Actually a normal lotus will have calyx. Usually it will be 3 to 5. So we write calyx with the letter K. Okay, yes. Now from here let us see the next one. This is the colorful part of this flower which will attract the pollinators, right? So this is called as petals or corolla. This will be the second part, which is corolla. Okay, or you will call it as petal, right? So let us see how many petals are there. You cannot count it. There are numerous of them, many. So you will just write it as C. The letter you will use it is C, and because there are more, you cannot count it, there are many, so you will write it as infinity. Next, let us see the third whorl. What is the third whorl here? And how are the petals here? The petals are free, right? So the petals are free, and inside you can see the stamens. Let me take out one and show you. Yes, this is called filament, and this is called the anther. Together we call it as stamen, right? The stamen will be the third part. So you call the male reproductory organ as androecium, and you will write the letter A. So how many of them are there? There are many. If you see in this flower, there are many, and all of them are not fused. They are free. If you see here, they are free, right? So androecium, infinity. Yes. And the female reproductive organ of the flower is gynoecium, which is here, right? So this is the last and the main, which is in the center. This will be called as gynoecium, the female reproductive part. And here how many are there? So this female reproductive part, gynoecium, will be in the center. You can call it as carpel, pistil, right? So let us try to, this lotus flower belongs to the family Neolambanaceae, and here if you write the floral formula, you'll start it by saying that is it a male flower or a female flower? Because it is having male and female organs, you will write it as bisexual. This is male and female, and you can cut this part in any angle, right? Radially, in any angle passing through the center. So you will call it as radial symmetry. Radial symmetry. So such flowers are called as actinomorphic, right? So you'll write this symbol like this. This is actinomorphic, where you can cut this flower in any angle. And if you see the calyx, let us start with the calyx. It is 3 to 5 and diffused. Then there is corolla. Then here you will write it as infinity, because there are many of them, right? They're colorful, and if you see, each petal is free. They are not fused. If it is free, you will call it as polypetalous. If it is fused, you will call it as gamopetalous. So here it is polypetalous. Then you will come to stamens, and stamens there are many types. So here, because they are free, you'll write it as androecium and infinity and gynoecium. So that is how you write this floral formula for this flower. I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, just drop in the comment section.